So the last couple times I went out for a ride, on my right side when I'm sitting on the bike, when my RPMs were getting up, I heard some sort of rattle and I felt a little bit of a vibration. Today I was gonna take the exhaust and stuff off just to see if there was like a collar in the exhaust that came loose. Before I ended up doing that though, right here is the rear brake master cylinder fluid. It turns out that somehow this bolt right here loosened off. Now, I don't know if it fixed it. So hopefully you made that out. It wasn't that cover. I'm thinking it might be the baffle in the exhaust. So I got the exhaust off. The rear one came off with no issue. When I went to take the front one off though, I undid the nuts off the front, and as soon as I released some of the tension off of there, the back just fell to the ground. The rattle I've been hearing for the last few rides turns out to be a broken bracket. Now I did the welding, so I'm not going to blame anybody but myself. So it's been a couple days since I first discovered that the mount on my exhaust had been broken. What I'm going to do today is I'm just going to trim this up a little bit, figure out where I have to position it on the muffler, and then I'm going to weld it up. I tacked it up when it was on the bike just to hold it in the spot. Good rule of thumb too, that if you have the exhaust pipe off the top of the motor for any length of time, it's good practice just to put something in there to prevent anything from flying in. There we have it. It's not pretty. Definitely fucked up the paint job, but it should work for what I need it to for the rest of the season. Got the bracket welded up, it's all good to go. Just got home from a quick test drive. Everything seemed to be alright. There was no rattle from the exhaust or anything. It seems pretty tight, so I'd say that's a pretty successful fix. If you wouldn't mind pressing that thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button. As always, keep the shiny side up, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.